Papunta na kami ng airport.
Gusto mo yung naka-turtle?
Ako mamaya pa kasi baka mainitan pa ako. So, mas piniper ko na ilagay na lang muna sa bag ko bago ko siya suotin. Ay, we forgot something. The mic.
Ang galing!
It's okay. Malakas naman yung boses mo. LOL! Narinig kahit na hindi na kailangan ng mic. So, ayan. Let's update na lang later pag nasa airport na kami.
Bye! Pwede ba ako ba?
Next time pupunta tayo.
May bus. Gusto ko 2025 pupunta tayo po ng Japan.
Okay po. Pakabait ka.
"2,000 years later."
First time mag-withdraw dito sa Georgia. Ano nakalagay? Ano? Ayan, English.
Ito eh, 400.
Walang iba, no? Hindi pwedeng
Tapos yes. Yes. May mo po. Would you like the receipt? Yes. Please wait. Yes.
Ganito pala yung itsura ng pera
I
nila.
cannot read it. Why you cannot read it? Hindi, I cannot read it. What kind of...
Parang pera lang din natin, no? Di ba 100 is violet din? Tapos tingnan mo may seal din na ganito, yung katulad sa mga pera natin.
Ayun po nga, ayun. Ito naman, may melong ka.
O, di ba?
Tapos po dito naman, para siya yung doon yung mga animals. Pero this time naman yung buildings.
Diba?
Tapos same color.
Same, di ba? Sabi sa'yo. Lamig! Sabi sa'yo, malamig eh. Di ba? Parang Baguio, girl. Parang nasa Baguio tayo. Ganito ba kalamig sa Baguio? Paano? Us going to Tbilisi. Nagbayad na tayo, di ba?
Please.
So, ayan, dalawang maleta. Naiwan na namin dyan yung maleta. Sakay na tayo, let's go! Ito yung bus namin going to Tbilisi. Hindi po pwede dyan, diretso. Nasa bus na kami, going to Tbilisi. So, kakaland lang namin mga 1:20 a.m. Kasi medyo 4 hours yung biyahe. So now, dito na kami sa bus. Book na siya online prior pa lang nito. So parang hindi na kami mahirapan doon. Magkano yung pamasahin natin dito? 65 euro. Basta 65 siya. Per person na lang. So, Parang nasa mga 195 kami tatlo.
What is this?
Papunta pa lang yun. Kasi
Mami,
dito nga kami
is
bumaba
this?
sa Kutaisi. So, kailangan pa namin taga papunta sa Tbilisi. Guys, update.
Ito na,
Bigyan kami
souvenir
ng
natin.
bus. Ang tubig. Diba? Sana may food din, mami. Charot lang. Souvenir mo na lang yun. Souvenir mo. Wala naman ako lang yun. Omnibus
Hindi
ba?
pa to lagay.
Pangalan lang ng bus. Guys, pag-check namin ng bag ni Eros, kinuha niya yung magazine dun sa airplane. Sa Wiz. Napaka-addict talaga nito sa Diyos ko dahi. Napaka-addict nito sa magazine. Pati ito tinira niya. Mandar na kami. Going to Tbilisi. Ito yung airport ng Kutaisi. Ayan. Ayan, dami pa rin tao. Ayan, dyan kami lumabas. Ayan. Unang stopover. Bili na ng food. Ang daming dogs nga. Ayan, nakalo. Ayan, lalaki. Ito, ay, nilalamig sila. Nilalamig yung mga dogs. Kawawa naman. Sarado pa yung Dunkin. Sarado pa din yung Subway. Ito lang yung available. Ayan. Ng purchase. Pagkain. Galing ah. Ay, take your hotdog.
Thank you po.
Masarap? Lasa?
Hindi naman nakakasya sa bibig.
Nice? Ah.
Ganun na lang mag-make tayo ng hotdog.
Ito po, pinapangarap niyang table. Na-open niya na dito sa bukas. You're satisfied na?
You're happy? Okay. Tanggalin mo na yung bag.
Tanggalin mo na yung bag mo. Si Mami, satisfied ba? Rawak siya.
Because of
Good. How much is that? Kanina?
7.60 lira.
Tapos yung kay Eros.
Ano? 6 yung kanya kasi mas maliit.
Kami hati na lang kami muna. Kasi kakain na rin din naman kami ng breakfast pagdating sa hotel. Kung kayo magbubuk, doon yung kunin sa likodan. Kasi tingin nyo kami tatlo lang solo na. So, pwede namin extend yung paa namin dito, di ba? Pwede kami humiga, pwede kami matulog. At like yung doon sa dalawahan, hirap. So, yun na yung advice namin sa inyo. Buti na lang, ito yung binook niya. Kasi gusto nga namin tabi-tabi kami tatlo. Or dahil swerte lang dahil wala masyadong tao ngayon, no? Dalawa kasi itong, ano na to, bus na to, Omnibus, tsaka yung Georgian bus. Pero sabi nga ni Wela, based sa mga nabasa niya sa comments, mas safe daw itong bus na to kasi dahan-dahan na magpatakbo. And like yung Georgian bus na mabilis, so at least dito hindi kami, kahit na makarating kami sa Tbilisi ng late, at least safe kami, diba? Yun lang. Update na lang kami mamaya again.
Slowly but surely.
Yan, nakarating na kami finally after how many hours. So, sinundo kami. Ito yung service namin. Yan. And we're here na. Punta namin sa kwarto. Careful ah. Check mo yung steps mo. Guys, ito kami. 09. Pa-room tour lang ako kayo. Ayan, guys. Ito yung room namin. So, pagpasok mo, nandito yung CR. Ayos naman siya. Maganda. Malinis, bago. Ayan. Pagdating dito, tatlo yung bed. Tigi-isa kami ng bed. And then, may malaking cabinet dito. And with a big mirror. Ito, ang ganda nito. Tapos, pag nandito, binuksan mo, may blower, Dyson. Charot. Joke lang. Ayan. Tapos, tulog mo na si Eros. Then, We have a small TV. Then, what is this? Heater? So heater to. Tapos we have a balcony here. Pero mamaya na namin papakita kapag maliwanag na sa labas. Kasi hindi pa talaga siya kita. Pero parang ang ganda ng city view, oh. Look. Ang ganda ng city view, girl. Kitang-kita. Ayan, pwede ka magkape-kape. Gusto mo yung minalat ako? Tapos ayan, yung aircon nakabukas pero parang iinit daw yun after 10 minutes na. So, ganyan yung itsura ng kwarto namin. Yan lang. So, yung nabook ni Wela na hotel is worth 600 dirhams for 3 days.
3 days and 2 nights.
3 days, 2 nights, 600 dirhams na to. So, medyo sulit naman, no? Kasi with free breakfast na to. Tsaka accommodating naman yung lalaki doon. Talagang tinulungan niya kami pumasok. And, sorry, nubo na ako. Nag-o-offer pa siya kung may gusto kaming coffee or what. Tapos, anong pangalan nung...
This view is...
Anong pangalan ng ano nito?
Tbilisi View Hotel.
Tbilisi View Hotel. So, meron din naman mga yung sikat na hotel dito, like yung Radisson Blu na daanan namin kanina. Pero,
Expensive.
oo, sobrang mahal. And kung nagtitipid kayo and budgeted lang yung
Tsaka okay.
yung pera ninyo for this trip, eh, okay na rin yun, di ba? Sulit na rin naman. So, yun lang. We'll update you guys later. At mag-i-impake. Mag-aano muna kami.
Unpack.
Yeah. Magtatanggal kami ng gamit namin kasi we have a tour later. 10 o'clock susunduin kami. So, ayusin muna namin itong mga to. At mag-change outfit kami. Bye! Ayan guys, mag-unpacking na kami. So, ginawa namin is nilagay namin siya dito sa sealer. Tapos ayan, papasingawin mo lang. Para bumalik siya sa dati niyang form. Tsaka, nagdala din kami ng mga extrang ganito para in case sa susunod nga is makakapag ano pa kami, magagamit pa namin to. Ayan, nagdala kami nito para magagawa pa rin namin siya sa susunod. Hindi kami mag-extra baggage. And guys, kumuha din kami ng UV light para matest kung malinis ba yung mga unan, yung kobre kama, diba? Just to be safe lang. Kasi marami kami napapanood sa YouTube na madumi nga daw yung hotel. So, just to check. Then, bumili din kami nitong portable door lock. And, meron pa tayo nung ano eh. Ito pa, isa pa to. Para malaman kung may CCTV dito sa loob ng kwarto. All set na. Ito yung mga pang day 2 namin. Yung mga pang lamig talaga. So, nandyan yan. Kasi sa snow kami niyan. Then, yung mga pambahay and undies, bra. Then, ito yung other, ano namin, for the first day and third day. Then, ito yung kay Eros. Then, yung maleta is nandyan tinago na para hindi makalat-kalat. Then, on this side is yung mga yan, mga coat na gagamitin. Yan. Nandiyan siya. Then, yung mga bags namin na maliliit is nandito rin. Tapos, yung mga sapatos, tsaka boots na gagamitin nandito. Ito yung suot namin kanina pa biyahe. So, ito yung gagamitin namin mamaya kasi malamig sa labas. Then, yun lang. Nakapag-settle na rin. Ayan na. Nice na yung mga gamit. And mag-sleep lang muna ulit kami dahil maaga-aga pa. Ayan, tulog muna sila. Ayan, ang ganda talaga ng city view.
6 hours later.
Tingnan na natin yung view natin sa balcony. Bilis! Wow!
Fresh air.
Ang ganda oh!
Mami!
Look at the view.
Dito yan. Look behind you.
Guys, ito yung view namin from the balcony. Look at that, guys. Ang ganda. Ginagawa mo! Lamig. Grabe. Nangangatog ako sa lamig.
There.
Ang lamig. lamig.
Ano mga alit mo?
Dapat naka-t-shirt ka dito.
Look.
Guys, umuusok pa kami dito. Tingnan nyo. LOL! Ginagawa mo! There's a monkey jumping on the bed. We'll go for breakfast na. Yeah. Paano ililak to? Ito yung suset. Naamoy ka na.
Namaya ako chicken. Chicken!
Okay, let's go. So, ito yung itsura nung ano namin. Ito yung mga extra items nila. Tapos ito ibang kwarto. Yan. Tapos ito inakyat namin kagabi. So, ayan.
I want orange.
Kumuha. Ayan. One coffee nga po. Oh, nangyari marunong siya. Galing. Ready siya. Ayan. Breakfast na tayo, guys. So, meron silang lumpia daw. Tapos mashed potato and eggs. Tapos yung ham tsaka yung tinapay din.
Potato.
Ikaw tapos ka na, di ba? Ano kinain mo?
Cereal. Ham.
Tapos kukuha pa ng bread.
I'll eat sandwich.
Nag-enjoy yung bata. Gusto dalawa pang ham. Kasi kapatong dun sa dalawa niyang bread. Kailan ka na?
Ilang round na yan?
Grabe na kasi ham. Tirador ng ham sa Georgia. Baka mag-uwi ka, wag ganun. Fourth round niya na po yan. LOL! Ayaw niya po tantanan. Ginawa niyang bacon, my God. Guys, sobrang laki pala niya. Para siyang base. Tingnan niyo, hanggang dito. Puro rooms pa to. Ayan. Hanggang 115, 116. Tapos, pag dito naman tayo, sa side na to, ayan, may mga kwarto pa dito. So, malaki siya. Plus, ito pa. Ayan. Pero walang lift. Pero maganda siya, guys. For the price, worth it na siya. Tsaka yung view niya, maganda talaga. Ayun, may plancha pala siya, oh. Pwede mo hiramin.
Balik na tayo ng sleeper.
Bakit po?
Ano ito mo?
Hindi, re-request po tayo. Sige. Bago kami pumunta ng Georgia, nagpapalit na kami ng dollars sa Alansari, sa UAE pa lang. So, ito yung babayad namin dun sa tour gate namin. Which is, siningin niya kami ng $150 per day, $150 per day. So, 3 days kami, siya yung kinuhan namin na magtutour sa amin dito from Tbilisi, Kutaisi, and everything. Lahat ng mga tourist destinations na makikita mo dito sa Georgia. So, yeah. Total of 450 dirhams. $450. So, parang nasa, more or less, nasa 1,600 to 1,700 yung conversion nito into dirhams. Pero, pinapalit nga namin yun kahapon sa dollars. Para di na kami mahirapan. Tapos, kanina, nag-withdraw na lang sa mismong airport, dun sa ATM machine nila. Kasi, sabi nila, mas maganda daw na mag-withdraw kesa sa magpapalit sa mga money changer dito. Kasi mas makakamura ka talaga. So, ayun. Yun.
Most important place it will be Sirnavi, City of Love. That one is 2 hours drive.
2 hours.
But like for example, winery is more near. But we will not go first winery because it's morning. So we'll finish most of the places and coming back we'll stop for wine tasting. So we'll have good evening.
This one, needs wine. No! So you will sleep night.
No!
Among the vaccinated dogs, if they have breed, they are good and neighbors know them that they are treated everyone good and for these kids get this reward as a green.
Green.
But better not
Not to touch, yeah, no.
There no one is cleaning, showering. This one is famous Rustaveli Theater, Drama Theater. This is National Museum here. One is Art Museum, National Museum is here. And most importantly, here right side is big Parliament of Georgia. Parliament. It was
Oh, it's nice.
always, if there is protest, some gathering of people, they always come there. And here is usually flea market. Maybe tomorrow is Saturday, will be flea market.
There's
Ah,
also
that's
flea
the
market.
vintages thing.
This is Big Mall, Galleria Mall, and the metro station. And this is famous Liberty Square or Freedom Square. You can call. On the top, it's a golden statue of Saint George. Saint George is the most famous saint for us. Before even our flag was icon of Saint George was Georgian flag. We believe that he was leading Georgians to victory in the war. This was Mayor City Hall before. Now it's bigger one.
Cute ng bus.
Going out in evening time, it is very popular place to go around this area. Culture. This is old Tbilisi, old historic
Old
part.
Tbilisi.
When first Tbilisi was first built only the castle on the top, and the
This castle?
castle with the church and the big wall around. That's called. West side we have Black Sea, which connects us with another part.
But this
Another country.
Georgia is part of Europe or not yet?
Europe as a European Union, not yet.
Not
we,
yet,
we
no.
are trying to be the
To be
political,
part,
political organization of the European Union. We are applying. We are trying to qualify with reforms. But by the land, we are Eastern Europe or Western Asia. We are in the middle.
Okay. One.
January 1, but we have second New Year, January 14th.
How about Christmas?
Christmas
Also.
we have January 7th.
It's late Christmas.
Christmas, it's a religious day, so we celebrate only January 7th, but New Year, because we can celebrate how many times?
How many
we want.
times? Yeah.
Bagsak. Ayan, ayaw matulog kanina. Tulog ngayong umaga.
The city and nature and the view is visible from there. We can drink coffee if you want. I'll take coffee if you don't want. Just for the view, it's very beautiful place. So let's start our day.
Our stop is the Terrace Signagi. It's a cafe overlooking the City of Love. Wow. Ayan. As you can see, it's overlooking. Wow, it's so nice. I like it.
Hindi na tinapay.
May mga ano ba, parang croissant doon. Ganda rin yung interior sa loob.
Chipuri.
What do you call this?
Khachapuri.
Khachapuri bread.
Where to come to Georgia to tell Georgia story about this. When she woke up, she left country, walked all the way from Cappadocia by herself, this small donkey, and told her
Kumuha pa kami ng maple leaf.
Maple. Nasaan yung, where's the maple syrup? Mami, where's the maple?
Nasa Canada.
On the clock.
Mami, kung may meron po maple trees, where's the maple syrup?
And it's only one wedding house in all Georgia that works 24/7. It's in Signal. So if people get drunk, they want to get married in the next hour, they travel here and
They get married.
Sinani.
It's very
How do you pronounce it, sir?
Signahi. Like
Signan.
it's imagine it's French word. Signahi.
Signan. Signahi.
Before it was not town, it was shelter. It was big wall in 17th century that villagers around the place, in case of attack, they would go inside the wall. Later,
Go inside the wall.
yes, we will go.
Ow!
We will go also. It's a circle wall, big wall circle. It has 4 gates. Now car can go, but before was locked. But now open, so cars can go inside. So we get married in Georgia.
Wow.
We were planning to get married here, but then I told them that we need business to bring.
It's your POV or my POV?
Too strong, I risk it. That's ice cream. This is we're drinking with beer.
Wow, you're drinking beer now.
No, this is not beer.
Which one you prefer, first or this one?
I like this one.
Ice cream.
What? What are you waiting? Ask them. Where's your fries?
Kартофель сховали.
Oh, ayan na. Coming na. Coming.
Nice.
OMG, ayan na yung fries mo.
Yun na.
Ayan na. OMG. Paying for our food. Lakad mode. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito. Gusto mo yung ano siya? Ginagawa mo! Sorry. Buti na lang naglalakad tong batang to. Very challenging, ha?
Why are you running?
Why are you running?
Why are you running?
Oh.
Over there?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Some colorful
Arrows?
things.
There's arrows.
Rose and flag.
Arrows, yeah.
That's where we our father.
The arrows will
I'll
shoot
start
us.
walking backwards to meet you in a minute.
Okay.
The arrows will shoot us.
Let's take some.
Paikot pa lang.
Yan.
Yeah. Pero shortcut lang tayo.
This is the Great Wall of Georgia. It's like the Great Wall of China.
This is the second
Eros, this is the second?
longest wall in the world.
First is the Great Wall of China. This is the second one.
Ano yung third one?
I don't know.
Great Wall of US? Mami, pwede ba kainin ng dog?
Huh?
Pwede ba kainin ng mga dog?
Ba't mo kakainin ng dog?
Bakit ako sila tumaan? Sabi mong ganyan.
Ibigay na ko din tumaan. Matuwad.
Close.
Close.
Ay, dito may restaurant at Aklan. Shortcut na tayo.
Eh, tapos dun siya mag-aantay, no? Paikot pala siya, no?
South ang sobrang long.
Yeah.
Pero pinaka-most longest.
First is the Great Wall of China.
Great Wall of China.
This is the second one.
Ano yung third one?
I don't know.
Great Wall of US.
They have?
I think they don't have.
It's the cable car.
I think
No, it's not a cable car. It's just a cable without car.
I think they just made this for the protection, no?
Mm-mm.
Kasi
When you're
dati-
inside the wall nga, though,
Kasi dati
safe ka.
May war. Dito sila nagtatago, oh.
Inside the wall.
Inside the wall.
Time to run. Mommy, time to run.
No. Oo, dahan-dahan.
No animals are inside. Damig.
Mamaya ka naman. Watch your steps first.
Yes.
Watch your steps. Wait for us.
Punta na naman tayo doon.
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
May entrance.
Ba't dito wala yung mga ano?
Napagod na sila.
Ano dito?
No,
Can I enter?
no. Maybe it's a tomb.
Ha?
I don't know. What's that?
Baka, di ba yan yung war nila? Yan yung war towers.
Mm-mm.
Doon tayo na. Doon na lang tayo sa wall na walang bayad na ba?
Mm-mm.
Huwag na tayo mag-cooking.
Gusto ko mag-cooking.
Magbayad.
You have 60.
Ito, meron.
We don't have na.
Wala na tayong ano.
Kasi pinambila mo na ng fries.
Wala na tayong lira money.
Larry.
Time to run.
Pero, dahan-dahan.
No running?
Yan na, go, go.
Kami no running?
Yes po.
Kailan pwede mag-run?
Hindi na sila naririnig ko.
Parang nga sa
Ay, ito yung flag.
Oo.
Saan? Where's the flag?
There, oh, punta tayo dun sa taas.
Kami. Kala ko nga sa pinaka-end. Lang na ng gold.
Ni.
I didn't tayo. LOL! Pero wala. Wala lang siya. The concert ko. The concert.
Mm-mm.
I can see the flag. Ito yung mga nakikita ko sa ano eh, sa TikTok. Yung flag na yan. Marami nagpapapicture doon.